So I don't know about you guys, but I'm from further south than Richmond, and I know Richmond is further south than half the country, but when something like this happens, I'm not really prepared for it. It's cold, and that's a lot of snow. So I know in our last video that you can watch here, we talked about all of the problems that frost and snow can bring to your lawn in terms of breaking the blades of the grass, doing damage, but that's primarily if it frosts or snows on your lawn and you walk on it and you keep stepping on it. Right now I'm walking on our patio so that I'm not on the lawn areas. You don't want to damage the grass from force, like from your feet or from snowmen or from tires. It's just a bad idea in general. In terms of the benefits that snow brings to your lawn, there's actually a lot of good stuff going on here. So up in the atmosphere, obviously mixed in with the oxygen and everything else, is a good bit of nitrogen. And nitrogen is one of those, that's my dog. He's been doing this for almost an hour, playing with the ball. Nitrogen is one of those things that is a really big component in fertilizer applications and really important for the health of your grass and its ability to grow. So having all of that nitrogen brought down by the snow from the atmosphere, it's actually much more nitrogen heavy as snow than it is as rain. So you're ending up getting a little bit of a fertilizer naturally put into your soil in terms of that. Additionally, all of the snow that's packing down is eventually going to melt, and that's going to help kind of soak down really gradually all of the fertilizer we've been putting down in the last few months. Now, obviously, it is possible to have too much of a good thing. If the snow stays around for too long, it can crush and do damage to your grass. But a snow like this, where it's going to melt pretty quickly, it's not going to last for more than a couple of days, it's a pretty good thing for your grass, all things considered, so long as you're staying off of it and the plow trucks coming down your street aren't pushing too much of it up onto your grass. All things lawn aside, obviously the best part of snow is the memories that you can make with your family and the fun that it brings because everybody's stuck at home for a couple of days. Hopefully, if you've been hit by this storm, you're not without power, you're somewhere safe. Stay off the roads. Obviously, that's an important thing, but be sure to have fun, like my dog, who keeps photobombing me and is having more fun than probably anybody else in RVA. Take care. We'll see you guys soon. As soon as this thaws, we're going to be back out there for fertilizer, and I hope you have a picture perfect snow day.